Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Do you see condensation in between two panes of glass? I mean, your solution is pretty much just replacement at that point.
It is. However, it's not replacement of the window, it's replacement of the insulated glass unit. So almost all windows out there are designed to where the window frame can stay intact, and you're just replacing the glass itself. If you have, let's say you're in a 2015 home, 2018 home, and you just have one or two pieces of glass that are going bad, it's best to call a glass company and just replace that. If you don't like the color or the operation of the windows, you can replace all of the windows themselves. But typically, if you have a lot of glass that has gone bad, you should be looking at an alternative option being replace the entire window. You are then going to get the warranty from the manufacturing company, not just a glass warranty being like a year or two of whoever put that glass together.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.